Hello everyone, and welcome in the Vance room. It's Thursday, guys, and another great session now with Juni, and we are going to speak together the market and the opportunity that we could have after this super incredible days of up and down. How are you, Junit? Good morning.
Good morning, Giancarlo. I'm good, thank you very much. And how are you?
Good. Was little hard day because I have different hour time here in Dubai. So I have 3 hours in advance and a little time, but it's okay. Fighting with the
Mm.
market every day. So it's good. It's good. I'm doing very good scalping these days. A little overstanding the session because I see also a big movement on USA close. So it's interesting to take a look also in the last part of the day. How was your? I think that with inflationary data, you fly, no? On
Yes,
Tuesday with
y-
I can imagine.
yes, it was very good. Inflation data trading. General markets are clear for me. Gold is clear, dollar is clear, stock market is clear, the Bitcoin is great, it's clear. Basically, I can say that markets are quite good, moving good, very clear. We will see how they will work on the future.
Yeah.
How do you see the situation? What are your best trades and everything?
Well, in this moment, I see maintain my Bitcoin trades on multi-day Bitcoin and Ethereum entry. I maintain from the end of January. Well, on crypto, I am not
Wow,
surprised. I continue to now
hold
I
only.
expect no until April. I will don't have any short, medium-term short opportunity. Now I think that market will, until halving, will continue to going up. Yeah, these last days, Bitcoin reached an incredible level. Now we have break the 50,000 level. And then you imagine this is the last resistance of the market. And after that, well, probably we can attack another level. But the second part of February seasonality is quite bearish, so probably market will do some stronger retracement. But I have already covered the position on the last resistance on Bitcoin. So for now, I maintain a very super profit here close, and no way to change this situation. And probably next week I have to start to close some position because I expect some drop. But Bitcoin essentially, guys, is what I explained yesterday. Um, will attack new historical hikes. My idea is remain that on before the halving, that is on 10 of April. I expect new high, new historical hikes, 70, 80,000 dollars could be reached after I expect a retracement. Now, market still start the uptrend, so enter now is very difficult because I have to choose for trading. I have then two type of position that was November until here, and after I bought on the last purchase I do is probably on the retracement on weekly support. Now, Junior, to be honest, enter long is quite difficult. It means you need a very strong retracement to have this opportunity. So it is not something simple, in my opinion. Now, I next week I expect some retracement, to be honest, and also if USA market take a break, I hope, because there are no way if you take a look to change the situation. Even we have inflationary data show a low drop, we know, but not change the trend that remain very bullish. So we see also Standard & Poor's yesterday after the first day drop, shape recovery, pullback, and probably market will continue to going up also February, June. If we don't assist any retracement from next week, we will have to wait on March directly probably. But for now, I don't see any chance to do something different. What's your view here? Do you have some position on crypto in this moment, or you maintain like for all
I
time?
am positioning on crypto maybe every day, Giancarlo. I am significantly bullish there. I don't think that crypto will drop.
No,
If it drops, it's gonna be short-term pullback, very short-term. I am bullish on everything. I am bullish on dollar, bullish on stock market, bullish on crypto, mid to long-term bullish on oil, only bearish on gold, short-term.
the gold drop dramatically. But
Yes.
we cannot do no, well, this is something that we expect. Now we will see. The problem is to understand if they can fix the, let me see, global chart, if they can fix this level or not. But essentially, I'm agree with you that I know your view, guys. We discussed last week, not unit C, it's 1,950 zone is possible. Now I think a pullback, and after we see if we can have another bearish wave. It's super choppy, but I see a long-term accumulation. So for me in this moment, guys, the chance to see some other drop is possible. But now I cannot open any short, guys, because this market need a retracement, and only after the retracement I will start to check, for example, on near 2010 to open some short.
I have short and I closed very good short. I think now it's time for retracement. I bought a little bit for a pullback. And after
It's
a
good.
little bit retracement, I'm gonna sell again. I expect 1950s, as you said. And also in the long term, I imagine market may even drop to 1800 levels. If not, then I will start buying 1950s. One of those levels is gonna be for me strong bullish for all-time high, but right now I'm bearish on gold. I am buying very short term for retracement purpose where I'm interested to sell. If price doesn't go up, I'm gonna sell below the lows. So I'm currently following mostly bearish sentiment on gold. Then we will see what is going to happen in the near future. As I said, very long term, I'm bullish. I expect gold to hit 2030, 2300, 2200 in the long run. But right now, it's not gold's time for the same reasons that I explained for last couple of weeks.
Personally think that this level could be tough. Normally, when we have this vertical volume, guys, this zone, in my opinion, could be retest. It means like intermediate zone, I have 2004 level. In my opinion, zone it could be retested if we return. Yeah,
Yeah, quite possible.
I would like here. I will start to open some short, not before.
Yeah.
Because this is very low, because a lot of people ask for a short. These guys now it's impossible because or you enter immediately here or here is maximum, but this is aggressive trade, so it's not simple because of few second movement. So in this moment, I would like to maintain a pullback view to enter in this market. So let's you speak about oil, so let's continue with commodities. The structure remain, of course, super bullish, guys. Very interesting the drop of yesterday, and the market still maintain, in my opinion, a very important level of pressure. Now, for example, we have this new resistance here in 70 70 20 level. Personally, I think that or any drop is a good opportunity to buy. Probably here, I wait the accumulation. I will try to buy for second time. And $80, guys, it still remain the real target. So $75, 76 are a very good level to buy, in my opinion. more vertical drop we will see, in my opinion, more good level we can enter. Do you have some? Do you like this zone or to buy, or you want to wait something more also?
I like every zone to buy.
You are great. You are great.
Uh, I shorted yesterday. I had little long. It was in small profit, but then I got stopped out because I was buying aggressively at the top with small risk. When I got stopped out, I sold immediately, and it made 130 pips. Now I am buyer on oil because you know my long-term stance that I'm very bullish there. It's like this. I am bullish long term. I am bullish midterm, but I don't have firm view short term because of the short term supply may surpass the short term demand, so we can have drop on oil price. But we are in the long term accumulation phase down at the bottom. It's going to be very difficult oil price to break through, but eventually it's going to break and will start going up structurally. Currently, it's not going down. You see, it's every time it drops, it really aggressively goes up. Um, it is going to be big battle between those that I'm not gonna say buyers and hold and sellers. I'm gonna say those that wants to see the oil price goes up and those that wants to see oil price to goes down. The Western world and USA wants to see oil price stay low and go down. The Eastern world is more happy to see the oil price goes up. Also, the energy companies likes to see the oil price goes up around the world. So
Mhm.
with that being said, the only way the price of oil going down, it's coming from bad economic condition worldwide, bad news from China, which we already have, recession and maybe even deeper recession, not amazing conditions on the other part of the economy, which means that lower short-term demand, not long-term, short-term demand. And at that particular moment, US has the sources to increase the short-term supply. Short-term supply, it's coming from the strategic petroleum reserves and on complete shale oil wells that they closed back in 2000 because of the COVID crash. And now they are reopening those incomplete shale oils, and they are drilling oil because it's easier, faster, and cheaper for them because it's already good infrastructure. Just they need to reopen and restart the work. And from there, they are bringing supply, which brings the oil price down together with bad economic conditions. But this is very short term. Like soon, there will be no additional oil to drill and to supply. And strategic petroleum reserves structurally rising a little bit because they are using shale oil wells. But the moment this shale oil wells completed and there is no more to dig in, they'll start supplying the world from strategic petroleum reserve, which is 330 million barrels right now, something like this, maybe 340 already. That's why we got this bounce, by the way, because they are feeling it back. But and after this goes down the drain, there is no other way around but stronger oil rally. Stronger oil rally will come when China a little bit starts correct, getting better in them than economic conditions, which is not the case right now. And also maybe OPEC cuts a little bit supply and restart on the demand. I'm bullish on a long term, but short term, as I said, we can have some problems to make strong trends. I'm still buying the dips every time because you never know when that
Yes.
surprise will start, and I don't want to miss that really huge bounce. I expect one day we open another strong rally on oil happens.
Okay.
We have
I
very
would
strong
like.
bearish engulfing on the daily chart,
Yeah.
and this buy that you we just discussed right now could be a little bit tricky, could be just
Yeah.
retracement, and we can have another drop on oil price. That's why I
Exactly.
say be careful, guys. It's a short-term idea. Oil price going up short term. We take the. I'm already in profit. I'm gonna secure the trade when it extends a little bit more, and I'll be ready to take my profits because oil price can drop to 73.50 and maybe even lower. Maybe it can break 71. Don't think that's because rising
So,
lows cannot break it. It can break, no problem for us. It's a large accumulation phase. It's not gonna be easy, but eventually we're gonna have strong breakout. We just need to be open-minded and not go with strong bias because sometimes when we are wrong,